Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you having a Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. If you need to find where the crankshaft position sensor fuses and relays are located, stay with us, we'll cover that in this video today. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, crankshaft position sensor, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, check it out. If you need anything, you can find it almost anything there, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the crankshaft position sensor, before we start guys, if you want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor on Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, they're built by the same company, we'll have those videos on our YouTube channels, check it out. And quick advice, you will have hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee that most owners do not know where they're located. That's why guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, very helpful video. Let's go ahead and open the hood, and guys, when you face your engine, oh by the way, if you have that 2.4 engine, we have more than 200 videos taking it completely apart and showing you how to fix pretty much anything on it. But on the right side of the engine, here is the main engine fuse box. That's the driver's side. You see these two tabs here, okay? You need to press them together and lift the cover up. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here guys, we need to check multiple fuses. Those are for engine management. There is limited information exactly which one it is, but most likely will be one of those, so check them guys, all of the ones that we list today. The first fuse, you may have all of them or have some of them depending on the engine and year model as well. We're talking about fuse number 7. If you have it, it will be right here. Then you need to check fuse number 8. 7 and 8 next to each other. Check those guys. After that, we're going to be checking fuse number 13. You see these two relays? Right between that relay there is one fuse. Okay, red fuse, it's barely visible here, we didn't do a good job, but it's right here between the two relays, fuse number 13, check this one out. Then we need to check fuse number 30, which is a double fuse, known as micro 3-blade fuse. Buy some replacement ones because those are super hard to find guys. Now, another thing, fuse number 59, we're talking about that fuse right here, will need to be checked. Okay, and then we need to locate fuse number 83 guys, and fuse number 83 is this fuse right here. Okay, you can see this fuse right here. What about relays? You don't have specific relays for that, but if you have problems with that sensor, we recommend to check the fuses and the relays for the engine computer as well. The video won't be on the channel if you need help with that. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.